also allows you to copy an existing sales order. This can save data entry time when the customer purchases the same items they purchased in the past. An order can even be copied from one customer to another. For example, a group of items that are often sold together can be copied from customer to customer, rather than entering the entire order over and over. In addition, multiple orders can be retrieved and copied at once to generate a single new order. Once the new order is generated, you can optionally indicate to retain or remove specific item details before the new order is created. Copied orders work identical to manually created orders. Therefore, the order can be recalled using the standard order entry icon to make further changes, or even add new item details before the order is shipped or invoiced.
The Copy Orders function copies an existing sales order or multiple sales orders to either the same customer because they are requesting the same items again, or a different customer because a different customer is requesting the same items that another customer ordered. This function may save data entry time if there are several detail lines on the order to be copied. In the Find Customer Number field, enter the customer number that retains the order details to be copied. Enter the customer number for where a new order is to be created in the To field. For example, let's assume customer 1400 wants to order some of the same items that we just sold to Ronald Black. Enter customer 1200 in the From field and 1400 in the To field. In the order number range fields, enter the sales order, or sales orders if multiple sales orders are to be copied. If multiple orders are selected, order entry merges the detail lines from each selected order into one new order. It does not generate multiple orders. Each detail line from each order creates a separate detail line on the new order, even if there are duplicates of the same item. In other words, it does not merge identical item numbers from multiple orders onto one detail line on the copied order. Now we need to accept or specify the tax group. The tax group defaults to the code assigned with the customer being copied. Next, identify what the status of the new order being created should be. For example, should the order immediately be active or saved for a future date? Because the To customer is different, the system displays the price list field. This is the price list associated with customer 1400, the To customer. This is important so the correct price is calculated when order details are created. Otherwise, the prices for Ronald Black appear, which may or may not be correct for the new customer. Then click the Go button to access all the selected orders and display the item details in the lower section. For a list of detail lines, indicate which lines are to be copied to the new order using the Yes No choice. Select No to not copy the detail line. Alternatively, the Delete key can be pressed to remove the line entirely. Leave the default as Yes to copy the detail line to the new order, although additional lines cannot be added here. Once the new order is created, the new order can be recalled within the order entry icon to add additional orders. To make a change to a detail line, select the item. Each detail line appears from the original orders being copied. If a change needs to be made, you should make it now before creating the order. Here's the price list field. If the order is being created for the original customer, then this field displays that price list code. For different customers, like in our example, the price list defaults from the one above. Next is the location code. Either accept or change the location code of where the items are to be removed. The expected shipment date defaults from the date Accpac was started, and then the quantity from the original order appears, along with the unit of measure. Because the copy function only generates a sales order and not also a shipment or invoice directly, the backorder field populates with the quantity ordered. To reserve or hold the items for the new order right now, enter a quantity in the quantity committed field. The rate type and pricing columns are next. And then the unit price. This is the price as calculated using the price list code. If the price list code is different from the original order, it may not be the same price. Remember, the price is determined by the price list code assigned to the customer and/or specific item detail. Based on the price of the item, the price approval column either displays nil, indicating that the price does not require approval, or yes, that the price is outside the acceptable price range for the item price list combination, where an approval is required before the item can be shipped or invoiced. The unit cost fields then appear, and then the extended price. Before clicking the Create button to create the new sales order, review the detail lines and make any corrections. Once created, the sales order is created using the next sequential sales order number. It is also available within the order entry icon if any future changes or additions need to be made.
Please proceed to order entry statistics and inquiries.